Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Ordinary Caffeine 3% and Escin 1% Face Serum. I've been putting this to the test over the last several weeks, pairing it up with other skincare products, different types of sunscreen formulations, and of course under my makeup. Anytime there's a new product launch from The Ordinary, I always want to review it and take my time testing it like I do with any new product that I am testing for the first time, because a lot can happen during that testing period. Maybe I experience pilling when I pair up that product with a specific ingredient, or maybe I experience irritation. Whatever the case is, I always want to relate that back to you so that you're aware of what I experienced. And if you're using similar products as I am in your morning and nighttime routines, then maybe I can tell you to avoid certain things with that specific product. Now, I feel like this is a serum that could benefit a lot of people. So let's talk about the ingredients and who I feel like this would be best suited for. Also, I'm going to tell you how you can layer this up and pair it in your morning and nighttime routines. And I'm going to let you know whether I'm going to continue on with this or not. So I'm going to link this below for you in my description box, along with other Ordinary related content. Recently, I uploaded a video on the top 10 newest launches from The Ordinary. I reviewed each one and I ranked all of them from 1 to 10 based on my experience with them. So if you want to learn more about the latest launches, I will leave that video below for you as well, along with discount codes. So the Caffeine 3% and Escin 1% is a face serum that is designed to energize your complexion. It's great if you have tired, dull looking skin. Maybe you didn't get enough sleep the night before, you have facial puffiness, you're lacking that blood circulation in your skin, then caffeine is great to have in skincare. And caffeine, although is a temporary fix, it's really effective when you first apply it to your skin. And I really love caffeine in eye creams and eye serums because I wake up pretty much every morning with puffy under eyes. So I really love having caffeine in my eye products, but having it in a face serum is also wonderful because I also wake up puffy in my face as well. More so on the weekends when I'm indulging in Thai food or Chinese food. You know, we go out for dinner. If I eat something that has a lot of sodium, I know a lot of people could probably experience this. I experience it really bad. I wake up the next morning and my face is super puffy. I retain a lot of water. So if I wake up like that, I always like to gua sha for lymphatic drainage to speed up that process so that I'm less puffy. But you could also use this alongside gua shaing. So you could use this serum after you have gua sha'd, or you could use this in replacement of that if you're someone that doesn't want to gua sha for lymphatic drainage. So I like using this in replacement sometimes of gua shaing or after I've done it, and this really helps to depuff and it helps with that blood circulation as well. So it gets everything moving and then your face does look more refreshed because you have that glow, the blood flow is flowing, and it really makes a big difference. So this is great for anybody who's experiencing tired, dull looking skin, or you have puffiness. And again, this is temporary, so it's something that you would want to do every day to keep up with that caffeine benefit. Now, Escin is an ingredient that will help to firm and lift the skin. It can also help to collagen bank and prevent the breakdown of collagen, which I think is really important because as we get older, we lose collagen, and that's when we start to see the hollowing of our skin. And then of course we have lack of firmness, and you just start to see where gravity kicks in. And that is a natural process, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's actually a privilege to see that as we get older. But if we want to slow down that process a little bit, it's good to use ingredients that can help to prevent that collagen breakdown. And Escin is an ingredient that can help to do that and firm. So I really love how we have that ingredient in here because the longer we use this, then obviously we're going to get the benefits of Escin. But like I said, it really depuffs at the same time, and it really does give more of this rejuvenated, youthful looking complexion within a couple of uses. So I personally think anybody could benefit from this facial serum. You could have accelerated signs of aging, early signs of aging. Maybe you just want this for depuffing and blood circulation in your morning, or maybe you are somebody with that tired, dull looking complexion and you just want to liven things up and re-energize your facial complexion. then this would be great to use. So honestly, I feel like anybody can use this, and it is great for all skin types. And the best thing about this is that you can use it every day, twice a day, and there are no conflicts with other skincare ingredients. Isn't that a lovely thing to hear? Because when it comes to specific ingredients, as you know, there are things that you shouldn't pair up with others because it could conflict and make things less effective on the skin. With this one, you could pair this up with your favorite serums. And I would recommend to pair this up with serums and products that also firm the skin and collagen bank. For example, those could be peptides, copper peptides, growth factors, vitamin C, whether it's a vitamin C derivative or a direct form of vitamin C, like ascorbic acid. Use this with tretinoin, retinol, use this with niacinamide. Like, you can use this with so many things, anything really. And because it has a milky consistency, I would use this as the last serum in your skincare routine before your moisturizer or before your sunscreen or before a cream-based retinol tretinoin. So use this within your serums, but use this as the last serum for proper layering. And I really love how it's milky. I love anything milky because it's very nourishing on the skin. It is super hydrating, and it really does give this beautiful glow to your skin. But it's not sticky, it's not greasy, it's not heavy, it's very lightweight. And I just really love how this sits with other skincare products, including sunscreen and makeup. No pilling. I've never experienced pilling with this. And I feel like a lot of milky consistency products like toners and serums, I usually don't experience pilling with these types of formulations. This is fragrance free, it's 30 mils of product, and this also has a shelf life of 12 months. So once you open up this product, you have 12 months before you have to finish it up. So I really love that we have a lot of time to use this. You may not want to use this every day, but it would be more beneficial if you did. And I've been using this more consistently in my morning routine because of that depuffing effect. I don't always use this at nighttime, but there have been a few times where I did use this at night paired up with tretinoin, and I really loved the pairing. It actually nourished and hydrated my skin prior to tretinoin, so it can actually help to prevent further dryness and irritation for some people, because as you know, retinol, tretinoin can cause dryness, and this is a great product to use prior to help prevent that. Now, on the back of this bottle, it does say to avoid the eye contour area and contact with the eyes. So you don't want to get this in your eyes. But I will say, I like to test things at its fullest. I used this around my eye contour area. Even though it said not to, I like to test things at its fullest. And I will say to you that it actually depuffed very well under my eyes. And I did put a little bit underneath that brow bone, because sometimes if I'm really puffy, this section here gets puffy and then it looks more hooded. This worked really well. But I just put the smallest amount because when it comes to the eye area, you don't need much. And I'm not telling you guys to go out and try this around your eyes. It does say not to, but if you choose to, that's on you. But just know that I did that and it worked really well. So yeah, I was really impressed. So this is something that's going to benefit me personally, especially in my morning routine. I really like this. I will be continuing on with this. And then the odd time I might use this at nighttime as well, paired up with tretinoin or copper peptides. But this is really nice, and I love how gentle and hydrating it is, and it's great for all skin types. So even if you're super dry, you're going to love this. If you're oily and you have acne prone skin, I can't see this being a problem. I have combination skin and I'm very, very acne prone. This has yet to break me out, and it's very calming. So I don't find this to be irritating in the least. And like I said, I've never experienced pilling with all of the different skincare products and textures that I have paired up with it. So it's very friendly, and I love that you can pair this up with literally anything, and it's only $11.70 Canadian. So that is so affordable, and again, I'm so impressed. So let me know if you are going to try this. Also, let me know if you've already tried it. What are your thoughts on this? If you have any questions, please ask away in that comment section. I will link this below for you, like I said, in my description box, along with other Ordinary content. And I also have discount codes for other brands as well, which I will leave below for you. But thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, and I will see you all then. Bye, guys.